Hi everyone. I had a problem with this faucet. I couldn't take it apart. I've tried every tool in my book. So I decided that I would have to take the bricks out of the wall and cut the pipe and cut some wood, put it back into the wall. After looking at everything, I decided that I shouldn't do anything. I should just go to Lowe's and pick this part up right here. As you see this part, it screws onto the faucet, and you can get it for about $3 to $4 at Lowe's or Home Depot. It just attaches to the faucet. So I don't have to take loose this faucet that's going to create a lot of problems. I go to Lowe's, I pick up a $3.50 part in the garden department. I attach it, and after 3 years, it's still working. Now, if this $3.50 part goes bad, go back to Lowe's, get another $3.50 part, and you have done your job. This has saved days of work, because in order to take this faucet apart, I would have to take the bricks out of the wall and then go into the wood area and take the wood out. That's a lot of work. All I did was go to Lowe's for a few dollars and attach a cutoff, and then I'm through. Have a great day. This saves thousands of dollars, and you only pay a few dollars. Take care.